Hey everyone, have you tried Moowing brand cheese slices? In today's video, we are going to see its review and demo. So this is a 200 gram pack of 10 slices. MRP is 180, but we got it from JioMart at 50% discount for just 90 rupees. I have provided the link in the description box. And inside this pack, there are 10 slices. Each slice is 20 gram. And one slice contains 61.8 calories, 5 gram of fat and 3.4 gram of protein. The pack claims that it is made from 100% cow's milk and the texture of the slice is quite smooth, creamy, color is natural off-white. To prepare, simply place it on your bread slice, add your favorite veggies, salt, seasoning, pepper and then grill it. Your cheese sandwich is ready. The cheese has melted beautifully. The taste is yummy, creamy and cheesy. It has a very balanced taste and the milky flavor comes out though really well. So 200 gram of cheese slices for 90 rupees and it's definitely worth it. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.